How to remove debit or credit card on TEMU. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly remove your debit or your credit card on the TEMU application. So now let's jump right into the steps. First of all, you have to launch your TEMU application in your device. Make sure that you have already logged into your specific TEMU account. You will land on the home page, and at the bottom you will find different options. Among there, head towards the option of View. Over there, you'll find different options as well. Now go to the option of Settings in the top right hand side of the screen and open it. Now head towards the option of Your Payment Methods and open it. Over there, you will find your card. Now what you have to do is simply tap on that card, and with that, you will get the pop-up of do you want to remove your card? You have to select the option of Yes, I want to remove my card. And with that, your card will be removed. So this was a really simple and quick process. In the case if you want to add a card, you can tap on the option of add a credit or a debit card, and from there you can easily add it. So this is all for this video. This is how you can easily remove a credit or a debit card on TEMU. If you found this guide to be beneficial, don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for the plethora of the educational materials.